All right, hey guys, so we're here at one of my dealerships and we got a car that has a cigarette burn in it. So I'm gonna flip it around for you. There it is. So you can see it's damaged there. If you're doing this on your own, we actually have fibers that we use, so we're actually able to color match it and stick some fibers in there and blend it in. If you're not able to do that, this car it has a two-tone interior, so it wouldn't be perfect. But there are cases where you can actually go and go to the floorboard, and you can take a razor blade and just shave off some of those fibers there, and use those in this process. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what we do. We just fill it in with some glue, put in the fibers, kind of build it up, and then blend it out. So hang tight. All right, so I just identified the right color for myself to be doing this. So you can see it there. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of prop you guys up somehow. All right guys, so you can see the repair area here. I just took some Elmer's Craft Bond glue. I just dabbed it into the hole, okay? Just smeared out a little bit. I build it up a little bit more than you would initially think, because it will actually shrink as it's drying. So then I'll take some color and just sprinkle it on there. And again, this is a fiber that we actually have in stock that we use. But if you don't have that luxury of having that, you can just use, again, material from the floor. Just shave it off and try and build it up. So then next step is we actually take an atomizer. This little guy here, fill it up, and we're able to blow it in so it gives a nice texture over the top. So you won't have that luxury, so I'm gonna just kind of show you how to just dab it in some more. I also like to use some tweezers, these big tweezers. Rough up the material a little bit and then just kind of dab it on. Just like that. That was a little extra there. Okay, and I'll take them sideways and kind of push it down. Blow it off. And that's it. So as you can tell, it's one of those things, if you look closely, you're gonna see it. But it is much better than having a big hole right in the right nice and visible on your seat. So again, this is just a good little trick, something super quick. Elmer's Craft Bond glue. And if you don't have the actual fibers, then you can just cut some out from your floorboard and use that to blend it in. All right guys, we'll see you on the next one.